here I have Nokia XR20, and today I'm going to show you how to check your battery health on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to download this app Ampere from the Play Store. Then you have to open it, agree with, okay, so you really don't have to, just tap no thank you, close. And here you can check your battery health. As you can see, my battery is in good condition, so no medical treatment is needed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.